Here's the 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This vehicle is a one owner. See, the tires are in great condition. This also comes with a remote start. If you push this button twice on the key fob, it will start it right up. I'll show you the very back. Trips with family and friends, no problem. You have plenty of room in the Jeep Cherokee. If you need even additional storage, these seats do fold down as well. Make our way around. I'll show you the back row. Very clean. You can see this vehicle has been well cared for. These are heated seats in the front. I'm going to hop on in and show you some of the neat interior features. And now we're inside the 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. You can see down here, here's where you can set the automatic headlights. You can make phone calls just by the push of a button. This is also a heated steering wheel. You get a nice vivid color touchscreen over here. When I go into reverse, the backup camera pops up immediately with these nice color-coded grid lines and the red line to let you know if you've gone too far. It's a great feature to have. Also, if your phone's low on battery, you do have an available USB port down below to charge it back up. And that is the 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Thanks so much, and let's take it for a spin. At David Taylor Ellisville, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, the fastest growing Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram store in St. Louis, Missouri. Every vehicle has been sanitized for your safety. Come see us at 15502 Manchester Road in Ellisville, Missouri. Our store hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 to 8, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 6. And you can reach us at 636-200-3299.